Hi, I'm Jordan Heath. I am an allergist here with SIMEDHealth in Gainesville, Florida, and Lake City, Florida. So starting in late January, early February every year, and extending all the way through February, through March, through April, into late April or early May, we have one of our biggest pollen seasons of the year, which is tree pollen season. We have a large population of trees here in north central Florida, which is one of the most beautiful parts of living here. However, it comes with a cost for our people who have allergies because with all of those trees come increased amounts of tree pollen counts during the spring, which are the biggest trigger for allergies at this time of year. So the most common trigger during any active pollinating season is going to be that organism that's actively pollinating. And so for springtime, that major pollinator is going to be tree pollen here in north central Florida and across the US. However, with spring coming, we see a lot of other changes going on in our environment, which can be things like warmer weather, increased humidity. And with these changes, we typically see a few of our other allergens spike as well, such as dust mite allergen. And dust mite, unfortunately, is one of the most common allergens in north central Florida, as well as the United States, causing a large amount of symptoms in combination with our tree pollinating. There are definitely factors that are going to contribute to the severity of allergy symptoms for people. The main one that we look at here is typically exposure. So the more exposed you are to your allergens, the more at risk to have severe symptoms you are. And for most people, that can include things like just being outdoors, outdoor hobbies, spending time outside during the spring months. That's one of the great parts about living in north central Florida. However, it comes with a cost for our people who are pollen allergic because with that increased exposure becomes an increased risk for allergy related symptoms. There are two main types of testing that we use here in Allergy Clinic to check for allergies. The primary type is the type that we are classically known for, which is our skin prick testing or scratch testing. Skin prick testing is really useful because it can help us pinpoint things in the environment that may be more problematic, which helps us do environmental counseling to avoid those things. It's also a really good test to pick up allergies without a lot of risk for false positive results. In people who aren't able to skin test, there's also an option for blood testing that we use in select patients. The best treatment option available for allergies is to avoid what you're allergic to. Some of that is possible through environmental counseling, which we do based off of testing results in our allergy clinic. However, sometimes avoidance isn't possible. In those circumstances, there are multiple medications, including nasal sprays and oral medications that can help with symptoms. And there's also the option for allergen immunotherapy, the primary form of which we do is allergy shots.